I'm Ray with Redbox Tools and Power, and we're partnering with Pilot John to start selling our toolkits and our power units. So our tools come in this bicolored foam that we put push point technology to allow you to push the tools out. Nice thing with the two colors that it's easy to notice that something is missing for tool control. Also in the toolkits, we have a strategic way of putting them in, so it allows us to optimize the number of tools that can go into a kit. We do offer DMC tools, BACCO tools, and Draper tools, BACCOM tools. And we offer Avionics toolkits. At Redbox Power, we have the 12 volt units, we have 24 volt, 26 volt, and 28 volt units. We have them in lead acid, we have them in lithium for sites that don't have power, and chargeable units that you can take out for the aircraft for continuous or star power.